What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use a water-based dressing. So guys, what is a water-based dressing? Basically, it is a dressing that's very versatile. It can be used on the interior and exterior of your vehicle. However, there are some things to remember about a water-based dressing. So when it comes to the exterior of your vehicle, water-based dressings are not going to last as long as, say, solvent-based, which are a little bit more water resistant and chemical resistant. However, with water-based dressings, you don't have to worry about excessive sling or no sling at all on your tires, and it does a great job of dressing up the interior. So guys, if you're interested in any of the products that we show here, then check out carguysupplies.com. There you can pick up a ton of amazing detailing products, and you can put in code Miranda20 for 20% off. Now with AM Dress, this is really specifically designed for tires, engine bays, the rubbers and the door seals of your vehicle, and it can be used on the interior, so we're going to show you how.
When using this dressing in your engine bay, make sure that everything is cleaned and at least dried a little bit. If you have a blower, then make sure to blow out any of the cracks and crevices and dry up the excess water. Spray the AM dressing over all the plastics and rubber components. If you have a blower, you can use it to spread the dressing evenly across the plastics and even into those hard to reach areas. If you don't, simply turn the vehicle on and it'll warm up the engine and melt the dressing into all the plastics. It leaves a nice satin finish on all the engine bay plastics. It's ideal to use in the door jambs after they've been cleaned. Use it on your door seals as well. It leaves a nice satin finish on those rubber pieces. Any of those plastic or rubber parts that come apart in your dash, clean them and dress them. You can spray it directly onto your clean, dry tire. Let it dwell for a couple of minutes. And then you can wipe it down with a microfiber towel if you want to knock down some of the excess. It leaves a really nice satin finish after it's dried. Or you can apply it with your favorite foam applicator. For the interior, make sure that your leather and plastic is cleaned thoroughly. You can spray it directly onto your leather and plastic and spread the product out evenly. You can even use it on those dash components. You can spray it onto your applicator or directly onto the surface, especially in those cup holders that can be hard to reach. Use it on all of the interior plastic and leather components. Just don't use this dressing on your steering wheel itself. After some time, you can wipe away any excess, and it leaves a beautiful satin finish. Plus, it leaves the interior of your vehicle smelling wonderful.
Alright guys, so AM Dress, awesome product. Definitely give it a try. If you want to pick up these products, check out carguysupplies.com and you can put in code Miranda20 for 20% off. Now, it really does a great job of dressing up the interior as well. With this product, it's not dilutable, it comes ready to use. However, when you use it on the interior, say your leather or the plastic and rubber components inside your vehicle, it really does a great job of dressing those up and making them look nice and natural. So if you want the high gloss version, you can spray it on and not wipe as much off, but with the interior, you really don't want high gloss. You want more of a matte or satin finish, or a natural look, as some call it, and that's what this provides. Plus, it smells amazing. Give this stuff a try, and again, I will have links down below to carguysupplies.com, so definitely give it a try. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.